Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to be your best companion.
For tackling tough stains, the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Compact Carpet Cleaner. First off, let's talk about why this cleaner stands out.
It's designed to handle those stubborn spots and spills, whether you're dealing with pet messes, coffee stains, or just general dirt buildup. Its compact size makes it perfect for not only carpets but also upholstery and even your car interiors. Now, what makes this Dirt Devil cleaner special? It packs a punch with powerful suction, which is crucial for pulling out deep-seated stains. The built-in hose rinse ensures easy cleanup after use, flushing out any remaining dirt and keeping the machine in top shape.
I've tested this cleaner on various surfaces, and I have to say, the results are impressive. It effectively removes both old and fresh stains without leaving any residue behind. Plus, the 19 ounces tank capacity is ample for handling multiple stains in one go. One thing I appreciate about this cleaner is how easy it is to operate. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle make maneuvering around furniture or in tight spaces a breeze. Plus, the removable water tanks simplify the filling, emptying, and cleaning process. Now, let's compare it with other options on the market.
Compared to similar products like the Bissell Little Green, the Dirt Devil holds its own with comparable suction power and a more compact form factor.
Wrapping up, if you're looking for a reliable, compact carpet cleaner that doesn't compromise on performance,
the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Compact Carpet Cleaner is definitely worth considering. It's efficient, easy to use, and gets the job done without breaking the bank. Interested in checking out the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Compact Carpet Cleaner for yourself?
I've included the link in the description below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews here on Product Critique.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.